Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, you will learn to set up an automation by which you can send thank you messages to your customers as and when they fill your feedback form. So guys, this automation can be very helpful for almost every kind of business, like if you are into hospitality, if you are into restaurant or hotels, and you take feedbacks from your customers, this can be really helpful because here you don't have to manually compile the messages for your customers. Let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here I'm using Google Forms to create a feedback form. In place of this, you can use any other form building application like Jot form or Typeform, etc. And here, as and when you share this form with your customer and your customer fills this form and submit, a WhatsApp message saying thank you for your valuable feedbacks is going to be delivered to the same customer automatically. You do not need to do anything manually, do not need to sort out the WhatsApp number, then type a message. No, it will happen automatically, and we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily because we don't need any coding skills or programming knowledge to build up this automation. So guys, now let me show you how can also set up this automation. So guys, you have to set up this automation starting from the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So don't wait more and sign up right now, and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow. So just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a relevant name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as let's say send thank you messages to customers for feedbacks. Okay, so you can give any relevant name according to you. After giving the name, just click on create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here, and on this page you will see the trigger and the action first. So guys, automations work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or starts this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be a new form submission received from this form, the feedback form that we have created. Let me show you. This is a feedback form I have created. Okay, and as and when any customer is going to fill this form and submit this form, that is going to trigger this workflow, and the action towards the trigger would be to send a thank you message to the customer who have filled the form, right? So first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application. So trigger application is Google Forms, okay, by which we have created the feedback form. So select this, and in the trigger event, select this new response received option. So it will trigger when a form is submitted, okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Google Forms application, and after that we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection here in this workflow, right? So first of all, you just follow these instructions, and you need to reach your Google Forms application. This is my Google Forms, and here I have attached a spreadsheet in which we are capturing the form responses. So a spreadsheet is connected in this form, and here you can see the form responses are collected here. So as and when any person is going to fill the form, the responses will be collected here in this sheet, right? So here in the spreadsheet, you have to click on extensions, and you will find this add-ons option. So from here, click on get add-ons, and this window will open up, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. And from here you have to search for an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks from here, okay, and you have to install this add-on here. So it will just take 2 minutes to install this add-on, and as you can see here, it has written installed. This means I have already installed it, so I do not need to do it again. So once you get this add-on installed here, you need to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on, refresh the spreadsheet, and after that, when you click on extensions, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option in the drop down only. And from here, you have to click on this initial setup option. Alright, and under the initial setup option, you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. So in the webhook URL field, you have to copy and paste this webhook URL that you got here in your workflow. And here in the trigger column, you have to enter the name of the last or the final data entry column that you have in your spreadsheet. So let me show you. So guys, this is the final or the last data entry column I have in my spreadsheet, the E column. Okay, so click on extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup. In the webhook URL field, let's just copy this webhook URL first, and let me paste it here like this. And in the trigger column, put E like this. Okay, and you can see in your workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to this this trigger event. That means we have to fetch some responses from our spreadsheet or the form to here. Okay, so to get the test submission done, what you have to do, go back to the spreadsheet connected to the form, and here you can see in the initial setup we have this button send test, showing send test. So by clicking on the send test button, you can send the data of the first row from this spreadsheet as the test data to your workflow. Okay, so just click on the send test button, and you can see the test data is sent successfully. You can see the data here. This is the timestamp, this is the name of the person, Soren Shah, and this is the rating he has given. All right, and the overall feedback is nothing. And this is the WhatsApp number of this person. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured. And you can see this is how we can capture the data inside our workflow. And it has the same details. You can see Soren Shah. This is the question I have asked. This is the answer. This is the question I have asked in the form, and this is the answer. And this is the WhatsApp number or the mobile number. Right. So that's how we can capture the data. Now I want to send this person a thank you message for his valuable feedback. For that to happen, I'm going to use this action step, and from here you have to search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. Alright guys, so to send messages on WhatsApp directly and automatically, first of all you need to set up your WhatsApp's Cloud API. So guys, WhatsApp Cloud API is Facebook's own cloud API setup for businesses to bring their businesses and to connect with their customers on WhatsApp. Alright, so you need to set up your Cloud API inside the developer section of Meta or Facebook, and after that you can use it here. And to know how to set up your Cloud API, you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, and there we have the videos, and in those videos we have clearly explained how to set up your own Cloud API and how you can access that Cloud API here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you do check those videos, and after that you can use it here. And here in the action event you have to select the send template message option. Okay, then click on connect. And from here, if you are making the connection with the Cloud API for the very first time, you have to use this add new connection option, and here it will ask for the token, the permanent access token of your Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID as well. So guys, to find these three things, you need to reach the application or the Cloud API setup of yours. And here, if you want to know about these things, you just click here on this here word, and you will reach this forum page of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com, and here you will find these two videos. First video is for setting up the WhatsApp Cloud API. Alright, and the second video is on to generate a permanent access token for Cloud API. And here you will find the instructions and steps along with the screenshots written. So guys, here you will find everything related to Cloud API setup, and you can see these videos and these steps. and set up your cloud API, and you can also generate the permanent access token. Okay, and for these two things, let me show you. So guys, here you can see this is Meta for developers, and here I have created an application, my Connect message app, and here I have set up my cloud API. So let me click on this WhatsApp getting started page, and on the getting started page you will see the temporary access token first. So guys, they provide you temporary access tokens first, but these tokens got expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one. So you can check the videos that we have pasted in the description, or you can check it from the forum. Let me show you. From here you can see to how to generate the permanent access token. You will see the video here. Okay, so you can generate the permanent access token, and after that you can see in this send and receive messages section we have this phone number ID. So just copy this and paste it here in this phone number ID field, and you have this business account ID as well here. Just copy this and paste it here in the business account ID field. All right, and you have to generate the permanent access token once only, and after that you can save that token and you can use this token to make the connection again with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you have to paste the token here, and after that click on save, and you will be connected with the WhatsApp cloud API, right? And guys, making the connection by this process, by selecting add new connection and filling these three things, is also a one-time process. Once you made the connection by this process, next time you can use this existing connection only if you want to make the connection again. As you can see, I have already connected my cloud API in a different workflow. So now I am going to choose this existing connection option, and here it will show you the list of the connections, previous connections that you have, and from this list you can choose any existing connection. So let me select this one, WhatsApp cloud API final connection, and I have created this connection at this date and this time. So I'm selecting this, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected again. All right, so we are now connected again, and now it is asking for the template's name. So let me first tell you what message templates are. So guys, you can see in my cloud API setup, under this send messages with the API section, it is written here to create your own message template. Click here. So click on this here word, and you will reach this page, and here you will find all the message templates that you have created. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you need to create here to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people at once, right? So let me show you one. This is a kind of a message template I have created. All right, and you can see the preview of this message template also. So this template is going to look like this on WhatsApp in real time. Okay, so here you can see this post is for a new post is published on your blogger account. So it is for a blogger to send updates to his or her audiences. All right, so you can create such message templates, guys, here only. And here you can see in this message template I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. So guys, these are the variable tags one have to put inside the message body, or the body fields, you can see. So guys, here it is necessary to put these tags because there are some things which are going to change with every new message. As you can see, after hello, we want to put the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message. So to get this name changed here like this automatically, you need to put these tags here, and we are going to map the values of these tags inside of a workflow to get those things changed automatically. All right. Now let me show you how you can create a template. Just click, let me cancel this, and here you can see we have this create message template button. Just click on it, and here it will give you these three categories in which you can create templates: the transactional category, the marketing category, and the OTPs. So you can select any one. I am selecting transactional, and here now you can give a name to this template. You can select the language in which you want to send the message. All right, after that click on continue from here, and on this page you can add a header to your template, and in the header you can send a text, or you can send media, an image, a video, or a document. In the body box you have to type the main message, that the main body of your message. Okay, So here let me type hello. Okay, so this is how you can enter the text. And if you want to add a variable text here or body fields, just click on this add variable button and a tag will be added here like this. Okay, right. So that's how you can complete your template. You can add a footer and the button also, and you can see the preview also of your message. So after getting all these things done, you just have to submit this template from here. Okay, right now I'm canceling this. And after getting your template submitted, Facebook is going to review this template and approve it in just few minutes. And after that, you can start using this template in your workflow to send automated messages, right? And the template I'm using here is this one. Let me show you. Feedback auto reply template. This is the template I'm going to send. This is the message I'm going to send, you can see, to my customer. Hi Roger Benny, thank you so much for giving your valuable time to fill out the feedback form. Alright, so I'm going to select this feedback underscore auto underscore reply template here in my workflow. Let me open. Here, when you click on the template name field, it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. And from here only you can search for your template, which is this. Let me select it. And after selecting the template, the language code and the template ID will be filled up automatically. No need to do anything. And in the recipient mobile number, here you have to put the WhatsApp number of your customer. So guys, we got the WhatsApp number of my customer from our form. In this test data that we have received from the form submission, we got this mobile number label, and here we have the WhatsApp number of my customer. So I am going to use this label to map the label here in this field. So just click here and it will show you this Google Forms step in the drop down, and from here only you can map this WhatsApp number like this. And now it is asking for the body field 1 and the 2. So guys, let me show you in my template. Alright, you can see in my template we have two body fields or the variable tags. One is here after hi and second is here in the last. So after hi, I want to put the name of the person, the name of my customer, and here in the last, in the second body field, I'm going to put the name of the hotel. Alright, or your business. So here just click on this body field first, and from this Google Forms tab, map the name of the customer. And for the second body field, you can use this step, because or what you can do, you can manually put the name of the business also. But the thing that you are going to put here manually is not going to change with every new message. But in this use case, the name of the hotel is going to be the same in every new message. So I can do this. So I'm putting the name here as the Grand Win Hotel. Right. Alright. Now you can check the connection with your WhatsApp also by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be sent to this WhatsApp number. So guys, actually I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I can show you how the message is going to appear in real time. So guys, here I am clicking on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response we have received. Let me show you the WhatsApp. So guys, this is the WhatsApp message we have received. Let me show you. So here in this message you can see it is saying, hi Soren Shah, thank you so much for giving your valuable time to fill out the feedback form, and we are looking forward to making your experience even better. And here you can see in place of the first variable tag or the body field, we have the name of the customer, and in the last we have the name of the hotel. Alright, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. Okay, so after that, as and when any of your customer is going to fill the form of yours, a WhatsApp message is going to be delivered here like this automatically to the customer. You need not to do anything manually. And the best thing is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.